In this video, I will detail how to stop photos appearing in wallpaper suggestion in Photos app on iPhone on iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18 Photos app redesigned, you have so many options to toggle with and a lot to configure. So here basically, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop photo appearing in wallpaper suggestion on iPhone on iOS 18. So your iPhone will basically make a suggestion of a wallpaper you can use on your iPhone, and here you may choose to disable this or stop showing this on your iPhone. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing we want to do, we want to remove personal photos from coming up in wallpaper suggestion in Photos on iPhone on iOS 18 is open the Photos app. So while on the Photos app, you just need to scroll down here until you get to where you see wallpaper suggestions. Then take a look at what is actually coming up on this page as a wallpaper suggestion. Then once you can identify this photo, then scroll up to any of these menu. It could be trip, it could be memories, and it could be pets and people. Then click on this menu. Once you click on that, locate the face you normally see in the wallpaper suggestion like this. Now press and hold it like this. Then you have 4 options available here. This include favorite, edit name and photos, feature this list, and hide this person. Then go ahead and click on feature this list. Then choose part that says feature this person list or never feature this person. If you want to remove this particular person completely from a wallpaper suggestion on iPhone on iOS 18, select never feature this person. Now to feature this person list, I just need to do is select feature this person list, but in this case I want to remove this person completely from my wallpaper suggestions on iPhone. Select never feature this person, then click on confirm, then hit the back button. Then your iPhone will feature this person list on their wallpaper suggestion. So see that? Then let's again go ahead and add on any of these photos here by locating maybe people and pets. Then press and hold, select feature this list, then never feature. Then that is it. Once that is done, you're done. Then click on, then close this page. Then you can just go ahead now and close the Photos app on your iPhone. Then when next you open the Photos app application, your iPhone is going to feature this particular person list on wallpaper suggestions. Now you can see your iPhone is no longer feature this particular person on the wallpaper suggestion. So this is how you can easily remove or stop photos from appearing in the wallpaper suggestion on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.